Hello, people. It's day 23, and this is your Abhiram. Oh my god, why did I say Abhiram? Again. Hello, people. This is day 23, and this is your Abhi. Today, we'll be talking about how games almost destroyed my life. Thank God I came out of it. Well, let's begin. Games nowadays are becoming systematic. I mean to say that it's working like a uh, active uh, reward system, but it's actually very time consuming and it's wasting most of the time. It's just taking away a lot of productive time uh, that you could invest into making yourself better. Games, they absolutely destroy your life. I mean, see, I'm saying this because I've experienced after growing up to this age, realizing that if I had put in effort in my previous years, in my younger years, I wouldn't have put I wouldn't have to put this much effort into studies or whatever activity that I'm trying to perform. I could have developed my skills and myself instead of playing games. See, games, you can take it as an entertainment for a while, but that was long time ago. That was 10 years ago. I'm talking about mobile games. I'm generally speaking about mobile games because most of the Indians consume mobile gaming rather than PC, and myself don't have a hand experience on computer gaming. Most of the Indians don't do. But mobile gaming is now into limelight, and everyone has a mobile, and games are easily available. You could just download it at one in several taps. But we just don't realize that games 10 years ago on mobile are completely different from now, and they it's not for entertainment anymore. It's for pure distraction. The companies are working hard to simply take away your time, to simply take away the time from your life. If you are smart enough, you can understand, and maybe if you like games, you could keep away some time. But dude, it's not happening. Uh, Games have become a reward system because you see, PUBG. Brawl Stars, Call of Duty, and all this. What are they actually helping you out? If you're striving for the reward system, see, if you're playing just for the sake of fun, maybe once in a while or something, that's not a problem. But that's not how it's working anymore. They've made rank systems. They've created the game. They've modeled the game in such a way that you put a lot of time and attention to it to get a certain reward, which will ultimately not give you much of happiness. I mean, you'll be fine for a while. After putting so much of hard work, you get a reward, you use it, but that's all. This reward system is actually literally killing a lot of our time. If you're running behind uh, you know, uh, gaining something in the game and you're benefiting nothing out of it. I mean, if you're a YouTuber or something, well, you're making money with that, that's not the thing. But as a normal individual, you're just wasting a lot of your time, man. You gotta understand this. Uh, I am really happy that I realized this even faster, because if I wouldn't have realized this even now, I would have literally destroyed most of my life. Because uh, until the past 1 year, until past 1 year, uh, I've been playing games hell, like a hell. Every single time I feel idle, I just pick it up and play and progress towards it. Progress towards the in-game rewards. Oh my! I mean, I just feel so stupid for doing that. See, the only thing you have to understand is, where are you going with this? Ask yourself, where are you going with this? How is it actually helping you? Is it giving you money? No. Is it giving you any skills that could actually help you better in your social life or whatever? No. What is it giving you? Nothing. It's just a piece of pleasure. But you're taking it so granted that even when you have little time, you're just taking it and playing it. Just think how much of time you're wasting into this. And because of this, your reward system, right? It just works like porn or any other drug, right? I mean, we all know how video games work now. Your mind is tuned to this instantaneous reward system, and you're not really able to focus on longer tasks which take a lot more effort and time. I mean, the multiplayer games are absolutely, oh my, they're killing you, man. You got to understand this. And first-hand experience with gaming, I'm saying you, it's better you leave it and focus on your career or focus on your relationships or whatever. I mean, anything that can make a better life for you. Spend time with your friends or do something which will actually benefit you and learn some skills. You know, these are things that will actually help you out. So this is my recommendation to all of the teenagers out there, especially Indian ones. Well, that's pretty much it for that topic. I guess that's one of the biggest mistakes I realized in my life. Of course, it's late, but not very late. It's better late than never. Then the second biggest mistake that I've realized is that being in the present. Being in the present was one thing I learned last week. I mean, I was completely enslaved to the fact that death is something that will arrive soon. And because I was fixated on my death and did not really care about my past and my future, I really was in that bad shape. Okay, I was wounded until I had to find some kind of motivation, which accidentally happened. And made me realize that fine, you got to understand that fine, death is something that happens in everyone's life, but doesn't mean you have to leave away your present, doesn't mean you have to leave away your future, doesn't mean you should forget about your past. That's completely stupid. It's utter nuisance. It's only making you waste most of your time, most of your productive time, which you could have invested into your studies or your developing skills and etc. So presence of mind is definitely one thing that everyone should have, because living in the present is actually way fulfilling than trying to live in your past or your future. See, doesn't mean you have to keep away your future or your past and try to only enjoy the present. That's not what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is that enjoy what you're doing for now in the present, but also plan for your future and learn from your mistakes. That's exactly what life is, right? You can't say I'm happy right now doesn't mean you'll be happy in the future. You got to do something. For example, as a teenager, right now your job is to study And if you study well, you'll be able to get into a good college. And then if you do a little hard work in your college, you'll be able to earn a good job. Then you can have a choice of your life, because money gives you that power, right? You have to understand this fact that your future is also very important. Your past, you have to learn from all the mistakes that you've done, so you could implement them in your present. And also, doesn't mean you have to keep away your present. It doesn't mean you should give away your present. Spend time with yourself, enjoy a little entertainment, have a little fun, but at the same time also do things which will help you in your future, right? That's exactly one thing that I learned. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And I'll see you in the next one.